sawdust on my heart. Daddy poured you whiskey, said she's out of your league smart. I was knitting sweaters, you were building shelves. Now our whole damn life's a fix it yourself. Your sawdust love never fails, even when my knit stitch bails. If walls could talk, they'd wheeze and say they're held up by spit and duct tape anyway. From the floors you nailed or wrong, to the love I've sewn too long. Yeah, we're built to last like a thrift store seam, strong as cheap wood, soft as our dreams. You hoard bent nails like they're gold. I keep your oops notes in my sewing bowl. Between your I'll fix it and my not tonight, we're the reason why they made good enough signs. Daddy sips his whiskey, smirks. Boy, you're lucky that she works. Most girls wouldn't patch the holes in a man who builds but never folds. Your sawdust love never fails, even when the whole thing lists like hell. If walls could talk, they'd laugh and say they're one strong breeze from blowing away. From the cracks you've caulked with pride, to the love I've stretched too wide. Yeah, we're built to last like a thrift store seam, strong as cheap wood, soft as our dreams. Tangled threads and WD-40 nights. Yo, my wrong turns, it turned out right. Southbound dreams in the porch light glow. Still the best hot mess we've built, and we're building slow.